Miguel Cardoso is killing our football. Usuke la suka khona lezweni lakhe and came here to South Africa to fuck up our football. And I'll tell you why. 7 Mamelodi Sundowns players who were part of Bafana Bafana before this guy came are not going to AFCON. Themba Mshishizwane, Fawaz Basadin, Jaden Adams, Ikram Reinas, Mthobi Mvala, Grant Kekana. Laba bantu laba, these are all important players that played a big role in us qualifying for AFCON last season. Sithola a bronze medal. Abanye badlalile nakuma qualify and helped us qualify. Even Uthapelo Morena is not. That's the 7th player. Is this guy here to build or destroy? Bamthumele labantu bakhe bale le la suka khona, because now every other country in Africa can see how Bafana is playing. So Miguel Cardoso bamsendile but yeah laphayana habo phazamisa izinto so these guys don't cook. At this point, Bafana sharp, Orlando Pirates players are there. We're happy. Yeah, it's good to see beautiful football, but we are talking about players that know how to compete on a continental level. We're talking about players abake badlala final year CAF, players who are in the AFCON themselves. Abekho this season. Abekho. Angithi kufike le baro Cardoso. Kufike ngokumosha. Sizobona ukuthi uzawuphelela kuphi.
Omni Sports. Break it down. Africa's premier sports destination.